Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to plot double Y plot in Origin software. So if you don't know what is double Y plot, I will show you an example what is double Y plot. So see this plot, this type of plots are known as double Y plot because there are two Y scales. See, on the left hand side there is one Y scale which is gain, and on the right hand side there is another Y scale, that is efficiency. Okay, and these two scales are totally independent to each other. Okay, this is one scale, this is another scale. This type of plots are known as double Y plot. So how we can make this type of plots in Origin software, today I will show you. Okay, so let's see. So these are the datas. I have put the data as in a Excel file. So I will browse from this Excel to the Origin software and plot the double Y plot. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, you open the Origin software. If you first open the Origin software, this window will come. This is the initial interface you will find. So here these are the datas. You have to copy and paste the datas over here. Okay, so let's maximize it. So this is the Excel file from where I will copy the datas. So here there are 3 columns. Okay, but here in the Origin software there are by default 2 columns, so I need to add one extra column first. So right click and click on add new column. Okay, fine. Now I will copy and paste one after another column. Okay, so first of all I am copying the frequency. So see, if I copy it like this, the values have come here. Actually the values should start from here. Okay, but the values have been started from the units row. Okay, so this is not desired, so that's why I'll undo and I'll copy the values only. Okay, so I'm selecting the values only. So I think selection is not done properly. Okay, so the first column is selected. I'll copy it and paste it here. Select this cell and press Ctrl V. Okay, so I'll do the same for the other 2 columns also. Okay, so I have pasted all the 3 column values. Now it is recommended to specify the names here. Okay, so the first column is for frequency, so I'll write frequency, and the second column is for gain, dB, and the third column is for efficiency. Okay, so the data pasting is over. So now I'll go for the plot. Okay, so for that, first of all you have to select all the datas only, not the column names. Okay, so I'll start from this cell, press the control button, press and hold the control button and select it like this. Select all the values till the end. Okay, so selection is done. Now after selecting, you come here in this option plot, click here. So you'll find so many options. So I'll click here line, not line actually. Line is for simple plot, but I am going to plot double Y plot. So for double Y plot, you have to come here the multi Y plot. So if you put the cursor on multi Y plot, you will find so many options here. So I'll select the first option here, that is double Y. See, so plot multi Y, then double Y. So click on it. Okay, so this window will come out. So this is the initial stage of this plot. Now you have to change so many things here to give it a proper look. Okay, so you can change the style of these plots. Okay, so for that you just select the plot and double click, put the cursor on the particular plot and double click, and the option window will come. Okay, so here you can change the plot. So here it is selected line and symbol. I will make it line only, and also I will increase the line width. I am setting it as 2.5, and also I will change the color as black. Okay, now for the second plot also I will change the plot type as line, then I will increase the line width as 2.5, and I will select the color as blue. Now click OK. So see, this much is done. Now I can edit the scales also. Scale means the division, the initial, the start point, the end point, and also the divisions you can adjust as per your need. Okay, so for that you put the cursor on the value and double click. So this window will come, and here you click on scale, and here you will find the scale. So I'm going to edit it from 1 to 15, and the division I will set as 1. So see, this scale is properly adjusted. Now I will do the same for this scale also. So here it is 0.3 to 1, let it be, and the division I will make 0.01. Okay, now you can change the legend also, the legend style. Okay, so for that you put the cursor, select it and right click and click on properties. So here I can change the legend values here. So for that you can edit the text from here. Okay, and also you can make it bold. Select and click on B, so it will make it bold, and same for this one also. This is for efficiency. Select and make it bold. Okay, and another thing I want to do, I will remove this border. Okay, so for that click on frame and select it as none, click OK. Okay, now another thing I want to do, I want to add the grid lines here. Okay, so for that you click on the scales. So before adding grid line, I will adjust the scale for the x-axis also. I will make it from 3 to 11 gigahertz, and the division let it be 1 gigahertz. Apply. Now I will add the grid lines. So for that you click on here grid. Now first I will add the vertical grids. So select here the major grid lines, and the grid style I will make it dash. Okay, and the color let it be gray. Apply. Now do the same for the horizontal grid lines also. First you select and make it dash. Okay, so grid lines are added. Fine. Now adjust this legend in a proper place to give it a proper look. Okay, and also you can fill it by white color. So now it is transparent, so I want to make it fill with white color from here. Okay, not done actually. Okay, now another thing you can do, you can edit this text also, the axis title also you can change. So for that just double click and start typing. Okay, so this is for frequency. Done. This is for gain dB. done, and this is for efficiency. Okay, and also you can make it bold if you want, and change the font also. I'll make it Times New Roman. Okay, I'll do the same for all. I'll make all the text as Times New Roman. Okay, and same for this legend also. I'll make the legend as legend font style as Times New Roman. Okay, so the plot is properly done. Now you can take it anywhere. So for that you put the cursor, just put the cursor outside this plot, then right click and click on copy page. Now you can paste it anywhere in your paper, Word file, Excel file, or whatever PPTs. So I'll paste it in a blank Word file. So this is a blank Word file, so I'll paste it here. Okay, so this is the plot. You can adjust it also here. You can reduce the size, you can increase the size, you can adjust as per your need. Okay, so hope the video will stand helpful for you. So thank you all for watching.